He is doing detailed carpentry work on a wooden staircase. Specifically shaping and fitting the handrail at the corner where it meets the main post. First, he carefully cuts the wood at the correct angle so that the handrail can align properly with the staircase structure. Then, he gradually shapes the end of the handrail. Removing extra wood and forming a smooth. Rounded curve so it can connect neatly with the post. Using a grinding tool, he refines the surface. Smoothing out rough edges and making the joint look clean and seamless. After achieving the desired shape, he fits the handrail into a larger decorative newel post. Ensuring everything aligns perfectly and feels sturdy. Overall, he is transforming a rough wooden piece into a polished. Well-fitted curved railing joint. Which not only strengthens the staircase, but also improves its overall appearance and finish. Thank you for watching. Go check out more video in my page.